guys, today we're going to do the sliding door kit. So if you already have a pre-existing GLSS, passenger or driver side, we're going to show you on how to put the sliding door kit. So basically when you get the kit, you'll have a upper track and you'll have a lower track. The lower track has a little half moon on the inside, and that's what the plastic slider will slide on nice and smooth, and then the upper track will keep it in its groove. So you'll have these two, and they'll be in two different lengths. So you'll have a shorter length that fits the passenger side, and then there'll be a longer one that fits the driver's side. You'll also have two panels for each side, and you'll have two handles, and then you'll be able to see this part goes on the top. So we put a little piece of foam tape on the back side, and it just eliminates the vibrations and any rattles. So keep that in mind, that goes on top. All right, so there we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the end off. 3 screws, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom, okay? So we'll undo these, bring them all the way till they're flush. Undo that, okay? Now we're gonna flip it over, and you could do this in the van, you could do it in your home, in your living room, wherever you have a great flat space, okay? And then the last one, we're gonna take this off here. Okay? Now, we're gonna slide this piece off. It'll be on there a little tight because of the silicone gasket that we use. So there's the end piece. We're going to put that off to the side. Okay. Now we're going to lay this part flat, and now we're going to take out this panel. So what we're going to do is grab the silicone gasket, and we're going to slide that out. Slide that out. And then we should be able to take this panel right out. Move that to the side. Okay. Now comes the fun part. Basically, you're going to need your hex wrench that we supplied you with the GLSS. Hopefully you saved it, because that's what's going to take off these ends. Then you're going to need a rubber mallet. All right, so we know this is the bottom. We know this is the top. So we're going to put the bottom in first. We're going to slide this in like so. And if you have an extra person that can hold this, that would be great. If not, no big deal. So what we're going to do is start at one end, and you're going to hammer that in, flip it over, grab the top, we're going to hammer that in. Okay. All right. Now we're going to slide the doors in. We can kind of just put it at an angle like so. You get your first door where your handle goes towards the heater vent, and you'll also bring that one up front. So that'll go in the first groove, and we'll just be careful that you don't tear this off when you put it in. So kind of want to slide it right in there. Just make sure that it's in there and it's not going to come off. Okay, we can slide that all the way down until it gets like that. Okay, now we're going to grab the second one and make sure that these are up, and we're going to put this one in the second groove. So right in here, make sure that you don't peel it up. Okay. Make sure that that fits in there nicely. Okay. There we go. You just want to be careful when you're sliding it in, because These are kind of sharp edges, and it'll easily pull up that foam tape. So just be cautious of that when you're sliding this in the groove. And that's it. So now we just slide that all the way back. Now they're both in there. Set it upright. Make sure that it's in the right groove. Okay, done. Now we're going to go back and get the end piece. And we're going to slide that back into place. So that goes in here, goes in that groove, slides in that groove there. And tighten it down. And whatever you're seeing here, we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. It's exactly the same thing. Lock that into place, flip it over. Cinched up nice and tight. And there you have it. You just added the slider kit to an existing GLSS. Now you're able to access your stuff without taking the cushions off. And then just repeat, do exactly the same thing on the driver's side. Recap, take the end off. 1 screw, 2 screws, 3rd screw right here. The whole end piece pops out. You take your silicone, take all that off, and then slide your big panel out. And then you're going to hammer in the bottom, the rubber mallet. You'll hammer in the top of the rubber mallet. You'll put your sliding doors in, and you'll button it back up, and you're done. 10-minute, 15-minute job, and you can do it yourself. Pretty easy.